Okay, all you baby boomers out there, you better listen up. Did you know that Medicare open enrollment for 2018 is already underway? And we've got some very important information for you today to help you make some really important decisions. Matt Deaton and Damon Roberts of Acute Wealth Advisors, they're here. They're two of the Valley's leading financial advisors. They have a weekly retirement radio show as well, and they help folks prepare for retirement. So I'm sure that you guys get a lot of questions about Medicare from your clients. So, Damon, what do we need to know to really prepare and make the right decision for 2018?
Well, just like everything, change is constant, and that's why you're seeing all these commercials on TV for open enrollment, and benefits change, the prices change, the premiums and things. And so if you're one of these that signed up for Medicare at 65 and thought you were good, think again, because likely you're paying too much.
Ooh, okay. So what happens if you don't make any changes? Because they do tell you, oh, if you don't, you don't need to do anything if you don't want to make changes. So what happens if you don't?
Right. Once you have a plan, I mean, you can keep that plan,
Okay.
but anybody that's been on Medicare has noticed that their premiums rise each year. And some plans increase significantly more than others. I'll just give you an example. We have a client that just turned 70. So they had been on Medicare for 5 years, and they had picked a really good plan. It was the most competitive at that time, but every year they got a cost increase. We came back and re-quoted their plan. They could stay on the exact same plan that they were on Medicare because they're all the same. They just were able to switch to a different insurance company, and they're going to save about $1,300 a year.
Well, and see, and that's the thing. A lot of people want to keep their same doctors and everything, but not realizing that you can make changes and still keep your same doctor.
You can. In fact, a lot of people don't understand that the supplements are standardized. So if you have an F plan, you can have the same benefits with any one of a number of companies, but those companies and the prices of the premiums will change based on company and also based on zip code.
Oh, God, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
A lot of people didn't know that.
And if the doctor accepts Medicare, then it doesn't matter if you have one through this company or another company. They're going to still provide the same exact care. It will be the same cost to you. You're just paying lower premiums. So again, it pays to shop because often those will go up, and you're just kind of like, well, I guess that's the way it is, and you don't realize that you could be saving money every year. Yeah,
it does pay to shop. It can also still be very confusing, and I know that you guys are offering up a brochure to kind of help, make some sense out of it all.
Yeah, we have a really nice brochure that kind of goes through some of the different plans, the F and the G, and explains some of the basics, but it can still be complicated, and it's important to kind of be able to sit down with someone and understand which ones apply to you specifically.
Right, and that's really to anybody's advantage to really sit down, because you said everything changes, life changes.
Yeah.
Your life may be completely different this year than it was last year, so don't.
Yeah, your medical needs will be different.
Right.
So you may be paying for a plan that's not providing the right coverage for what you now need, because now you need different prescriptions or you need a different sort of coverage, and it's costing you more. And so you go back and you look at what plans you have, and you're able to do a switch, and now's the time to do it.
Right, absolutely. Now is the time to do that. And so if you think that you might benefit from a one-on-one consultation, Matt and Damon are also making that available for you. It's an in-depth consultation. They have set aside 10 appointment slots at no charge for Sonoran Living viewers who get through on the phone right now and who qualify. Here's that phone number to call to get one of those slots, 480-620-6907. And you have to be nearing retirement or already retired to qualify. For Acute Wealth Advisors, they have office locations all across the Valley to make it convenient for you. You can also learn more by visiting their website, acutewealthadvisors.com.